Oh, I didn't see you there. Right, start of the video. May as well start at the beginning. The part come for the clutch real soon. Sooner than I imagined. 3 days early. So that's good. I'll probably put a link for the people on eBay that I got it from. That's a speedy service. Anyway, I've had a look at the bolt I got to take out, and with my socket set I can't quite reach it. I need another extension, so I'm off to Halford's to get an extension bar, and then we're going to go back and fit it. So stay tuned. Wobble extension bar. Right, I had to buy an extension because it's not really reaching properly. So, how should I do this? So I got 3 extensions, the 2 that come with it, and then a swivel. Ooh. Oh, that way. Got confused then. Swivel, and then a long 13mm. Yeah. But let me show you where I gotta get it. Down there. It's the 3rd one across. I can't see, so I'm going to have to try and put a camera down there. I've got a plan. If I open the DJI app on this and then connect my camera, I can see what my camera can see. So if I take the stand off this and stick it into the engine, I can see what's happening on my phone. You know what I mean? Right, I've taped up socket. See if I can get it. I need to come up a bit. Right, I think I'm going to have to take this intercooler off to get the angle I need. I think that's what's going to happen. Right, I'm going to take the intercooler off. But disconnect this first. That comes out of there. Out to the side. You got to do that clip and that clip. Undo these, the 10mm socket. And I think it just pops off. I think I've had it off before. We'll see. Right there, the intercooler's off, and I can see they're not much better down there now. I'll get a light on it. Stick the camera back, I think. I'm gonna link my phone. There's my eyes. I don't even need the torch now. The intercooler's off. Right. Right, I'm trying to film it, but it's making it awkward for me, so I'm not going to do that. I need to be able to get my hand in both sides. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the inside off first, because I've seen somebody stick it on without taking this one off. Yeah. Right, what I've done is I've taken those 2 screws out for now, because that one I just can't get out. I know it's possible, but I've seen this be put in, and also it still does the support. So this is what comes: a bag of screws and nuts and bolts. I mean, one of them's bigger than the other, which is the one that comes from the back. See? There's two small ones, and one big one. So these 2 go in this bracket, and there's a couple of washers. You chuck a washer in, washer on each one. A little bit fiddly, so I'll just put one in first. Bottom one, I think. Get that one in. No space, it's very cramped. I'm the smallest fellas. That needs to go on the way there. Now that's got to be bolted on properly. Yeah, that bolt's got to come out. That's not good enough. Still movement in it. Yeah, that bolt's got to come out. Right, I'll be back. This is harder than you think. Ooh, look at my hand. I've got it out, but it was a nightmare, man. It wasn't easy. If you've got a lack of patience, my hand, and you've got big hands, but I've got it out. Now, I'm not sure. I'm supposed to bring, so you know, I'm supposed to stick this through the back and then put a nut somewhere. Where's that gone? Where's that gone? Oh, it's gone. Come on now. Oh, there it is. So if I can get that back in easy now, I'll do it that way. But I'm going to loosen it up this side, so it's got somewhere to come through. Right. Loosen these. Just loosen these a bit so it'll come through nice and easy. Now I can tighten it up. Let me see if I can get this through. Let me see if it goes through this way a minute. I'm just going to do it in reverse, I think, because it's easier to get it through this way. I'll see now if I can get the little nut on the other side. Right, I think this is going to be the better option. Not that there's a right or wrong way of doing it, it's just what I've seen other people do. So. Oh, that is perfect, man. Sweet. That's as tight as I can go. Oh, that ain't fucking budging. So now all I gotta do is stick this on the other side. So that shouldn't be too bad. Let's have a look. Put a washer on as well. Actually going to put a big washer on. Right, so what I'm going to do is just put a socket. It's because I've got the washer on, it's fucking awkward though. I'm going to put a magnet on the socket, and then that means that'll stick inside, although it's trying to pop out, and then try and get around with that. They did put a big washer and a small washer, 3 small washers and 1 big washer, and if you put it on this side, if you put this on this side, you need a big washer. I think that's what it's for people who want to do it both ways. So let's try this. Although the magnet's a fucking good idea, it's just snapping it to anything that's metal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wedge a bit of paper in. And just jam it in, then it ain't going to come out. You've got a bit of play. Well, let me just show you now. You can see it. Can you see? Where is it? Around it. So there it is. That's the new. You see my finger? There is it. It's too dark, isn't it? Anyway, it's on. See if I get a shot from the side. Probably see it from there. If you can't, you can't. But it's on with the big washer. So now, get the intercooler back on, which is over here. So, 2 pipes. Let me put this down. Right, so that's the intercooler all back together. Pipes on, 2 pipes, and the electric's there. Last thing to put on is the fan. Need 2 hands. There you go, that's all sorted. And now, show you the movement on that is 0. I'll give them a little tight. Are they done? That's okay. Right, let's go for a drive, test it out. Let's do a silent. Right, that's the end of the video. My hands are in bits for jamming them in the little spaces and all that. It was a fiddly job. It is possible to do, so I'm not no mechanic, or you know, I'm not a professional at doing anything with engines or anything. But there you go, sorted. Listen to that. Perfect. Right, that's the end of the video. It was a bit fiddly. You got to take the intercooler off if you want to get it done in any time. It took me a few hours, mind. What's the time now? It's 5 to 7. It took me a few hours of slowly, like, diffusing anger inside. No, it's just frustrating because you know you can get to it, and it's just you need one of those swivel end bits. Like I showed you, and small hands. If you've got small hands, it'd be much easier. But yeah, it's doable. All right, peace out. Hope it helps. Bye.